All right. The next question. A man spends one third of his monthly earnings on projects and one quarter of the remainder on household items. If he has 15,000 naira left, how much does he receive in a month? So the first thing we do is let the amount he receives in a month, let the amount be X. So we go back to the question to try to read it all through so we could get to understand better. They say a man spends one third of his monthly earnings on projects. So therefore, he spends 1 over 3 of X, 1 over 3 of X on monthly on projects, and one quarter of the remainder. What that simply means is we need to get the remainder. So if he spends 1 over 3 of the project, it simply means X over 3 is out of it. Therefore, we need to subtract X over 3 from X, which is his monthly salary. So X minus X over 3. So let me do this. Now the LCM is 3. So we have 1 into 3. 1 goes into 3 3 times. 3 times X is 3X. Minus 3 goes into 3 one time. 1 times X is X. So we have 2X over 3 because 3X minus 1X equals 2X. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. Then the next part of the question says he spends one quarter of the remainder on household items. So we're going to do that now. One quarter means 1 over 4 of the remainder, which is 2x over 3 on household items. Household items. Now, this simply means, remember in the previous video, I explained to you that off simply means multiplication. So if you've not seen that video, please try to go watch it. So this simply means 2x. 1 times 2x is 2x. 4 times 3 is 12. So we can still reduce this further to 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So this is simply x over 6 on household items. Now, the next part of the question says if he has 15,000 naira left, what does it mean? When you say he has 15,000 naira left, it simply means that from what he had initially, from the remainder, he spends x over 6. So we need to subtract this x over 6 from the remainder. So I'm going to come to this side to try to solve it here. So it simply means that 2x over 3 minus x over 6. The LCM is 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 times 2x is 4x. Minus 6 into 6 is 1 times x. So we have 4x minus x is 3x over 6, which simply means this here, this here, this. So this simply means x over 2. Now, but the question says if he has 15,000 naira left. So that simply means that when we do all of these subtraction, it is equal to 15,000 naira. Therefore, x over 2 equals 15,000 naira. And this simply means that if x over 2 is 15,000 naira, therefore x is that value for which when it is divided by 2 gives us 15. And that value is simply x equals 15 times 15,000 times 2, which means X is 30,000 naira. There we go. So the monthly earning of this man is 30,000 naira.